Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLDX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. So first area is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right here at $2.70. You can see several times today the bears try to press down through there, but the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So that's what I would say. If the bulls can continue to do that, that would be a huge sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong though, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined, because let's take a step back now and look at things from more of a big picture perspective. And that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic but highly effective way to just gauge the overall strength of the current price movement is simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. Again, yeah, it'd be great if the price could stay above $2.70, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward in terms of where the sellers are hanging out. That seems to be right up here around the $2.80 mark. You can see there's quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of whether or not the bulls can build upon this momentum and just start to build some higher bases, or in other words, just stay above that purple line as that purple line continues to increase. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.